Okay, this video is for Jacob Nightling. Jacob, I hope I didn't slaughter your last name there. Anyway, yesterday I had finally gotten time to try my micro arc out that I've had since around June. And what I wanted to do was figure out how to put a spiral slot around this round part. I had never dealt with the round part before. And so after some help from people on the Facebook pages, I got it figured out, and I'm going to attempt to show you here how I did this. I imagine there's other ways to do it. I'm no pro by any means at all. So I started out with the round part. Happens to match some size stock that I have right now, and you want to make sure that you start your origin right in the center of the part, and because that's going to be up in the chuck. So the next thing we need to do is to draw our feature that we want. But to do that, you're going to have to put a plane in there, tangent plane, and I've selected the face, and then it wants you to select the origin. So I selected this axis here, or you wanted to select the reference plane rather. So I selected that plane there, and then clicked OK. And of course, the next thing I want to do, I want to create the sketch on that plane, and selecting that plane there, and now I'm going to come up and do a line, and I could have used the line command. And you can set this at any degree you want there, and there's a mathematical way to figure out the length that you need, but I haven't messed with it, so. And I want to make it 0.125 for my 1/8 inch end mill. And then I'm going to continue back up. And close it. And finish the sketch. Now I'm going to select that sketch and come over to Create, Emboss. And here we have the little emboss. And the profile is already selected. Now I need to select the face. So select that and see there it pretty much put it in like it wanted, or like I needed. And it's coming completely up to the top and stopping just below the bottom. But I'd like to have it back a little bit farther. So I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to go back and edit the sketch again. And I'm going to back this just a touch. Click Finish Sketch. And looks like it could go just a little more, but we'll leave it. But anyway, that's the gist of it there. Then I brought it into the cam rather, and figured that out. And if you guys would like a short video on that, I can do that too. But anyway, here you go, Jacob. Hope this helps, and anybody else that might be interested. Thank you.